Struggling to fall asleep tonight? Your feet might just be the missing key to faster, deeper sleep. A simple foot massage can relax your whole body, calm your mind, and help you drift off effortlessly. No fancy equipment needed. Whether you're hustling in Nairobi traffic, finishing deadlines in New York, or running errands in London, this hack is perfect for anyone who spends long hours on their feet and needs quick relaxation before bed. Stick around till the end. The last 2 steps are absolute game changers that even seasoned wellness enthusiasts often miss. First up, let's prep your feet for sleep. Start by washing and drying them thoroughly. For an extra touch of relaxation, soak them in warm water for 2 to 3 minutes. Afterward, lightly stretch your toes to release any initial tension. Then, apply a small amount of your favorite massage oil or cream. This tiny prep sets the stage for maximum relaxation, so don't skip it. Now, let's move to the heel relaxation technique. Use your thumbs to press in gentle, circular motions all over your heels. Pay special attention to the outer edges and the very center of the heel. The pressure should feel good, never painful. Repeat this 5 to 7 times on each foot. Think about busy Londoners who often walk over 10,000 steps a day. Their heels carry so much of that tension. This simple move helps melt it all away. Next, we'll work on the arch. Press along the arch of your foot, from the heel all the way up to the ball, using your thumbs in upward, sweeping motions. As you go, you might find some tender spots where stress tends to collect. Give those areas a little extra attention. Make sure to do this evenly for both feet. This technique is fantastic for releasing the stress that builds up during long city commutes. Let's focus on the ball of the foot with some gentle circles. Use your thumbs to make circular motions right on the fleshy part below your toes. If you feel any tight spots, press lightly on them. Do about 8 to 10 gentle rotations on each foot. This helps relax the muscles that support your balance all day long. Think of it as pressing the reset button for your entire nervous system. Now for a move that feels incredible, the toe stretch and pull. Gently take each toe, one by one, and stretch it. Flex and release it to stimulate blood flow. While you're at it, lightly massage the tiny joints between your toes. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times for each foot. It might seem small, but trust me, tiny toes hold huge sleep benefits. Time for some pressure point magic. Without getting too technical, there are specific reflexology points on your feet linked to your head and relaxation. Find the spot in the center of the ball of your foot, just below the second toe, and another one on the fleshy part of your big toe. Apply gentle, steady pressure to these points for 3 to 5 seconds each. Avoid using too much force. This relieves mental tension and calms your mind. It's like giving your body a natural, silent cue that it's bedtime. Let's not forget the ankles. Gently rotate each ankle clockwise, and then counterclockwise. This is perfect for loosening up stiff joints after a long day of sitting or standing. Repeat this 5 to 8 times for each ankle. For example, office workers in Nairobi who often sit for hours during their commute find their ankles get really stiff. This simple rotation brings back mobility and eases discomfort. From the ankles, we flow right into a calf massage. Use both hands to gently knead your calf muscles, always working in an upward direction from your ankle towards the area just below your knee. This helps relax the larger muscles that store a lot of our daily stress and also improves circulation, which is crucial for better sleep quality. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes on each leg. Next, we have a light tapping technique. Using just your fingertips, not your nails, lightly tap all along the top and sides of your foot. This stimulates the nerve endings and can help reduce that antsy, restless feeling you sometimes get in your legs at night. It's like you're tapping out tiny lullabies directly onto your feet. Time for the foot squeeze and release. Gently wrap your hands around your entire foot and give it a firm but gentle squeeze, from the toes all the way to the heel. Hold that squeeze for 2 or 3 seconds, and then release completely. Repeat this 3 to 5 times for each foot. This simple action encourages a final wave of relaxation and blood flow, making your feet feel wonderfully weightless and calm. Here's a great hack if you rush short on time or your hands are tired. The massage roller hack. You can use a dedicated foot roller or even just a simple tennis ball. Place it on the floor, put your foot on top, and roll it back and forth, focusing on any tender spots you find. Just 1 or 2 minutes per foot can make a huge difference. This is a favorite trick for apartment dwellers in New York who need a quick release after a long day of commuting on their feet. For an extra calming finish, try a cooling compress. This is optional, but it feels amazing. Place a cool, damp cloth or a cold compress on the arches of your feet for about 30 to 60 seconds. This helps reduce any lingering inflammation and soothes the nerves, enhancing that feeling of deep relaxation just before you get into bed. Let's boost the effect with aromatherapy. Using a few drops of lavender or chamomile essential oil during your massage can significantly enhance the sleep-promoting effects. The calming scent works in harmony with the physical touch. You could also diffuse these oils in your bedroom while you do the massage. Remember, scent plus touch equals a powerful sleep synergy. Now for one of the game changers I promised. Mindful breathing integration. This is so simple but so effective. As you massage, sync your breath with your movements. Inhale slowly as you apply pressure or make an upward stroke. Exhale slowly as you release the pressure or glide back down. Focusing on this rhythm tricks your body and mind into shifting into sleep mode much faster. And finally, the most important step of all, evening routine consistency. This 3-minute massage works best when it becomes a non-negotiable part of your nightly routine. Doing it every night helps condition your nervous system to recognize it as a signal for sleep. Over time, you'll find you fall asleep quicker and your sleep quality improves. Consistency is the real secreter. Tiny habit can completely change your nights. Try this routine tonight and let me know in the comments how fast you fall asleep. If you loved this, you'll definitely want to check out my videos on the 5-minute evening stretch for better sleep and a hand and arm massage to relax before bed. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips.